The Dawah, I remember I have a few brothers who went with us for Umrah in Ramadan. I was able to share Dawah with an Arab brother from the family members of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Brother Khalid Al-Sharif, and I say it here and he will see this live on khutbah. Even this gown I'm wearing, he gave it to me. He said, Sheikh, you've got to go and give Dawah with this. I said, okay, I got to wear it. I don't wear this kind of gown. I don't wear this. But he begged me. He said, please. He brought it from Makkah and met me in Medina. He said, please, I brought this from all the way Makkah to give you. I love the Dawah that you do with Al-Hikmat in America. I love it. You have convinced me to start to do Dawah. Here I were able to convince a Meccan Saudi Arab guy to do Dawah. See, you never could tell? And I can't even convince some from our own brothers. But I thought, Allah works. No, I'm just joking. You got a lot of brothers who support and give. But all the way in Saudi Arabia, the brother was so impressed, and I have to say this, ask the brothers, Brother Shahabuddin, all the brothers who went, Qadi Sajjad, everyone who went with us, he was so impressed. I said this in Ramadan, and I say it again, when Al-Hikmat Umrah group landed in Medina, he got a custom officer, met us inside the airport, had a special lane, VIP for Al-Hikmat. As we walked out, he shut down the line. He had the newspaper in America take us, go check it out, the Medina Times, Saudi Arabia, one of the oldest newspapers, to write articles of Al-Hikmat. For 3 days, the articles of myself and Al-Hikmat ran in the Saudi newspaper because he just loved the Dawah. Where in the world I would have thought my Dawah would have reached Makkah? And brothers, you ever thought that? No, but you never can tell when the call will reach. Yunus alayhi salatu wasalam did not think that the people would learn and they will change. And that's why Allah sent him back. The whale threw him back out on the very same land for him to see the same people that he left. They changed, and he became the imam and their teacher. See how it works? That's why Allah, you cannot tell what plans Allah has for us.